What's up, superstars? Welcome back to Crypto Cornucopia, where you come for the latest crypto news, education, and a path to prosperity. I'm making these videos for beginners, so please leave comments, questions below so I can get them answered in the upcoming videos. No time, I got you. Set the video to 1.5 and like, subscribe, share. All right, watch out for the scammers in the comments below. If it looks weird, it is weird. All right, today we are going over my 1,000 to 10,000 trading series. Had a good weekend, and we're going to go over that in a bit, but we want to take a look at the current market and what's happening because I still have to make a decision, and I'll talk about that in a second. So we see Bitcoin is hovering around 61K, sentiment's at 50, so a little bit down, and Ethereum looking really bullish at 65. All right, we're going to go right into these guys, so let's head into the coins and take a look at what is sentiment-wise the most bullish for today. And it looks like Beam is coming up here. I see some tweet volume looking pretty high, but the trading volume's a little bit down. Now Loopring is going crazy at 1,400% relative tweet volume and 2,000% in trading volume. And it's already up 80%. I already have exposure to it, so I'm not going to do it in this trading series since it's up so much already. Solana seems like it's always at the top of this list and is very bullish, but too much of a large cap for me right now, and I'll explain why as soon as I get over to the spreadsheet. Alchemy Pay, have never heard of it. Cardia Chain, had that a while back. It's a good project, but it's not in the area where I want to put my money. Ocean Protocol, love this project, already have exposure, but I've been waiting for a long time for it to break out. It looks like it most likely got some bullish news. I've also heard of Verge and Litecoin. I already sold my position, never getting back into that. All right, so let's head in and see exactly what happened here. All right, so these are my original positions, and I decided, well, actually hit my target for Ethereum. It was at 38 when I bought it, and it hit its all-time high of about 44.50. So that's about 13% went up. So I sold out, and this is what I'm looking at right now. I have 169 right here. Oh, back up real quick. The original amount was 100, but I took out a loan off of that in Aave and upped it to 150. So I'm letting that ride, and I have 169 that I want to put into something else. Bitcoin has not moved the way I want it to, which is usually why I don't. It takes so long for it to move, but when it does, it goes high. So I thought that peak was going to hit last week, and it almost got there, but I didn't hit my target, so I didn't sell. I'm going to wait. And if you guys watched my last video, you can see that Plan B said it's most likely going to be moving up to about 98, I think it was 98,000 at the end of November. So I'm going to sit on that, and there's really nothing wrong with holding Bitcoin. All right, so DOT is, I got it at 41, and it has moved up to 49.5, and I'm either going to wait until the 5th, November 5th, or until it hits 55. So I'll be selling out at that point. Wilson did really well because it's part of the metaverse play. And I looked a little bit further into it. Essentially, what they're trying to do is create an ecosystem within all the metaverses. So companies can come in and really take advantage of people being in that space. So they're what they call the pick and shovels. So they're creating what people can make money off of. So that's actually a project I might go back into. But I hit 100% off of that, sold at 268. And then luckily over the weekend, as soon as I heard about Meta, that is Facebook changing its name to Metaverse, I knew the gaming and Metaverse tokens would explode. And my two favorites were the Sandbox and Mana. I got into Sandbox separately from this, waited for 30%, sold out. And then I saw Mana pumping on Saturday, so I got in at 134, and it's already at 308. So I took the 100% that I made from Bosun, put it into Mana, and it's already doubled. So relatively. It's about 455 right now, which is amazing. And I think it's got a little bit more to go, but I'll make a decision today on whether I'm going to sell that or not. Then you have PKR Poker. It actually dipped over the weekend, which blows my mind because it's NFTs. It's got a test net coming up, and I would think that it would do much better. As you can see, my project is would be at 500% because it's such a low cap, and I thought that could have easily done it, but not sure what's holding that back. And then Clima took a dive. It actually went all the way up to 3,400, but my target was 2x. I was expecting it to go to possibly 4,000. So that didn't hit, and it's down actually to 1,700, but it's been fluctuating between actually 1,700 and 3,300. So it's going up and down. It's a small cap, but I'm making 36,000% APY. And looked back at the chart for Ohm, and that's exactly what this project is. It's actually a fork of it. And in the early days, Ohm went up and down as well. So, like I said, I'm okay because of the APY that I'm making off of it. And I'll just hold this one a bit longer till it hits the peak. All right, so let's head into, let's go back into Trade the Chain. And I want to find out where I should put that $169. So I'm going to do that here with you guys. Acro is another token that I've heard about a lot. And I can't remember exactly what it's for, but I know it's an integral part of the system that it's in. Band Protocol is another Oracle. And then Talor and Vthor token. All right, but after that, there's not a lot going on Trade the Chain. So what I did was I went into CoinGecko, and this is a bit of a hack. If you just go up into search here, CoinGecko is going to tell you what people have been searching for. So, Shibaverse, I've been hearing about that one as well. Another meme token. And I thought to myself, okay, I was really conservative on the last trade with Ethereum, so I wanted to go a little more risky. And Splinterlands is the one that I know the most about. It is an NFT game, and it is really popular. And Crypto Stash is one of the YouTubers that I listen to, and he literally does videos on playing this game and has done very well. So I know it's a popular game. It's a low market cap at 100 million, and with everything that's happening with gaming and the exposure that the metaverse and gaming is getting right now, I can see such a low cap actually pumping, and this just started within the last 24 hours, so not even actually. So it's kind of been up and down. So it went down last week, and then, wow, I can't believe it went that low, matter of fact, but it pumped right back up. So I'm assuming it got some news. So I think it's riding the momentum wave here, and maybe someone just found out about it, or they're having some type of new release. So let's take a look at Splinterlands news and see what we can find here. All right, let's check out their Twitter. Let's see, this Twitter is really real time. This is where you can find out all the news. They put it here first. All right, that is a pinned tweet. All right, this is 2 hours ago. We're nearing the halfway point of the Chaos League or Legion pre-sale event. Don't forget, one Dr. Blight promo card is guaranteed for every 50 pre-sale packs. Okay, so there's a small possibility that they're using the tokens to get into this pre-sale. All right, share your battle challenge and get one of those. Okay, so it looks like they're starting to do some marketing, and they're starting to hand out money, which is going to make people want to do these things. So share your battle means you're putting it out there you're tweeting about it, and people are getting more exposure to it. It's a form of networking and marketing. Let's see what else. Okay, so they've already done 3 tweets today. It's time for another weekly art contest. Winners will earn out of print booster packs. Yeah, okay, so they are pushing really hard right now. I think they're riding this wave. Okay, yeah, I think they're riding this wave. Look at this. Metaverse Exchange SPS now available. Okay, so as soon as Meta came out, you can see there's been a huge tweet storm by them. Okay, all right, so I decided that this is where I'm going to put the 169, and so I'm going to head off, and well, it's going to be SPS Splinterlands, and then I'll update you guys when I make further changes, because the other thing that I want to do is most likely I'll sell this mana and either break it up, or I could break it up into a couple of smaller caps, or keep checking trade the chain and see if I can do any short-term trades. Call it swing trading. Do a trade for like 1 week, ride some of this momentum. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Leave comments below. Please share to anybody that you think might be interested. Take care.